Hey everyone, what's up? So I have a very special guest here today,
Josh.
Devin.
Hey.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Devin Hugie with DHI and RMS, here with Josh starting a reliability journey.
Yes.
About this. We're really excited.
Yes. Drew, say hey to everybody.
Hello.
So Devin and I have been talking about reliability-centered maintenance for a while. There's a couple of others that I've talked a lot with, Dave Lockhart. And one of the things, we were really interested in is how do we get started, right? So Devin and Jim Carrel are helping us put together this kind of plan, get started. But so what is reliability-centered maintenance?
Reliability-centered maintenance is doing what you need to do when you need to do it and with the equipment when it needs it.
That's right. So monitoring the equipment based on the conditions of what it's producing and making maintenance decisions based on that, right?
Absolutely.
So it's kind of like, if you want to go buy a new car, you start seeing that car everywhere, right? Well, we have a perfect example of something that happened that we identified, and we're at our North Little Rock facility today. But at our Little Rock facility, we did our annual fire pump test 2 weeks ago, Drew. Is that right?
Roughly, yeah.
Yeah, and identified that the bearings on the pump were over-greased.
And failed.
We failed our fire pump because of over-greased bearings. And Devin told me,
Overgreasing bearings is bad. It's one of the number one failures of a bearing is to overgrease a bearing. The ironic part about this is 14 months, 15, 16 months?
14 or so months
was the
ago.
last time that they replaced this piece of equipment. So the life cycle on that piece of equipment was very short. Overgreasing bearings, very bad.
Yeah, so, and our fire pump, it's an electric fire pump, so it only runs 30 minutes a month, right? And which is not very many hours per year, right?
Yeah, but it did validate our existence for being here because the first day here, we already ran into a perfect example.
Exactly. So in reality, we really shouldn't ever replace the bearings on our fire pump as long as it's maintained properly and we're doing ultrasonic testing to tell us when we need to grease those
And how
bearings.
much.
And how much we need to put. It doesn't need to be 15 pumps weekly. It doesn't need to, it needs to be minimal and based specifically on it. So learning a lot about all of this, but really this is just a reallocation of our resources to make smarter, critical thinking based decisions. Right?
Let's go.
Boom. Thanks everyone. Happy learning.